This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change an interior door knob. This is a fantastic and easy home improvement project that anyone can tackle, even if you're new to DIY. We'll go over all the simple steps, from gathering your basic tools to successfully installing your brand new knob. You'll learn how to quickly refresh the look of any room and ensure your doors are functioning perfectly. Get ready to transform your living space with confidence and ease. Before we dive into the fun part, let's make sure you have everything you need. You'll primarily require a screwdriver, which could be a Phillips head or a flathead, depending on your current door knob screws. Sometimes, a small pry bar or a putty knife can be helpful if the old knob is a bit stubborn. And of course, have your brand new interior door knob ready, complete with all its components. Having these few items on hand will make the process incredibly smooth and quick. Now let's get to removing that old door knob. Start by looking for the screws on the interior side of the knob, usually on the rose plate. Use your screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Once those are out, gently pull the two halves of the knob apart. The spindle, which connects the two sides, should then slide out. Don't forget to remove the latch mechanism from the edge of the door as well. It's usually held in place by two small screws. You're doing great. With the old knob out, it's time to install your shiny new one. First, insert the new latch mechanism into the hole on the edge of the door and secure it with the provided screws. Next, slide the exterior knob through the door, making sure it aligns properly with the latch. Then, attach the interior knob, carefully aligning the screw holes. Tighten the screws securely, but don't over-tighten them. Finally, give your new door knob a good test to ensure it turns smoothly and latches correctly. Congratulations, you've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.